Alright, so today we're going to do an example of motion maps for Unit 3 where we have something accelerating. Alright, so in this problem we've got a sprinter starting from rest and speeds up to a velocity of positive 10 meters per second. So first off, a few key words that we want to keep an eye on here is that we've first got starts at rest, and that the sprinter is speeding up to a velocity of positive 10 meters per second. So let's think about what that means. It means that initially the sprinter has a velocity of 0 starting at rest and ends up with a velocity of positive 10 meters per second. So we can tell that they are speeding up and then traveling to the right because of the positive sign. Okay, well, the problem doesn't specify where they start, so let's just say that he starts at a position of 0 meters, and we know that since he's starting at rest, we would put a dot at the starting position. Now think about which direction he's traveling. Well, we know that he's going to be traveling to the right because of that positive sign, and then we would put another dot about where we think he would be 1 second later. And then we would also note that he would be a little further along after that, further along after that, and then further along after that. Next, what we need to do is add our velocity arrows. So we just fill in the blanks, noting that the velocity arrows get longer and longer and longer. And we're almost done. We would have to tell me that this is where we are at 0 seconds. And finally, we need acceleration arrows. So in order to do that, get a different color here, greater blue. We would have to point out which direction the velocity is changing. So the velocity is increasing, he's getting faster and moving to the right. So each dot would get an acceleration arrow above it. And there you go. You got a motion map for an object that's speeding up.